I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와
Hi everyone, it's me Thankyou and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I am not in my home right now. Like I mentioned in my previous vlog, I left home. So from like my previous video, it might have looked like I was going somewhere like very far or I was going to do something very adventurous, but it is nothing like that, guys. I came here at my cousin's place and I will be here for I don't know like how many days, but I am going to be here, like I'm going to be staying here for quite a few days. So the thing is that, you know, like my cousin sisters, they were born when I was 20 years old, so they are going to be 4 years old this year. I'm going to be 24, they are going to be 4 years old. Growing old, right? So my cousin sisters have started to go school, but because of lockdown and you know the whole COVID situation, they could just go school for like 3 weeks or so, and they have just been having their classes online. And like both of their parents, like my uncle and aunt, they both like they work, so they have to go to their work, right? So because of that reason, like my aunt wanted me to come and guide my twin sisters for a few days, you know. And also like at this time it's also quite risky to hire like a tuition teacher and all that, because of this current situation. So I was also like doing nothing. I was also just staying at home. So I said like, why not? So I came here day before yesterday with my aunt. Look at this people. Like this, it's completely like this looks like a white screen. It's completely like white, milky white. So मलाई देखाउ त यसो पक्र ल यहाँ पनि पक्र म आउँछु कि आउँदिन हेर ल म आएँ
नहीं
आएँ
आएछ
अलिकति पछि जाऊ त म आएँ यता देखो अलिकति म आएँ
आएछ
So the view from here looks something like this. यतादेखिको भ्यू चाहिँ यस्तै छ. पानी नपर्नु भने त यहाँ माथि लुगासुगा नमुने रहेछ है. अनि देख्दैछ कि
नहीं
있었던 시간이 길었어 나봐 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어 Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I miss you, baby Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해
Roses, pocket full of roses. Husha, husha, all fall down. Roly poly. You? Up, up. Roly poly. Down. Daddy, roly poly. My God, we are so tired. Who wants to study?
Daddy.
Yes.
Daddy one.
Who wants to study?
Daddy.
Who wants to को पढ्ने? आइला पढ्ने छिन्ची नपढ्ने? किन पढौँ न? हामी पढौँ न है. तपाईं पनि write A from here. Okay, now let's see who will write a good A. A for?
Apple.
Very good. Write down A. You write B now.
B.
Oh.
This.
Don't cheat. Write your own. Don't cheat.
Don't this.
Write A.
Or bad.
Ah, cheating is bad.
Now
Okay.
what
What comes after D?
D.
E. Very good. Write E. E for? E for?
Elephant.
Very good. E for elephant. K for kite. Okay.